Okay guys, so welcome. So the question is, when was Ethereum's Byzantium hard fork implemented? If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment, because I always post time farm answer on time. And make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be dropping an airdrop that will be listing in the Q4 of 2024. So quickly, let's head straight into the answer. So we're going to be choosing the year, the month, and the day. So the year is what? 2017, and the month is what? October 16th. So that's it. 2017 October 16th. We'll tap on check date. So that's it, we are correct. So you claim it. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, you like, you comment, and subscribe. They see an airdrop that will be launching this month, which I'll be posting in the description box and in the latter end of this video. So make sure what you follow the airdrop so it can pay you and you earn a lot of USDT from it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.